What's going on, guys? My name is Kerry, and today I'm going to show you 3 of the best single wide floor plans available. One from each size range: small, medium, and large. If you're in the market for new single wide, you've probably already noticed there is a lot to choose from. If you look at all the floor plans from every manufacturer, it can be overwhelming. It's hard to keep track of who offers what, and it can get to the point where the more you look at, the less you're actually sure of what you actually want. When you're looking for a new single wide, the 2 main factors to consider are the size and number of bedrooms, which ultimately affects the price. Decide how many square feet is ideal for how you live your life, and then decide what length and width works best to achieve that total square foot number. Single wides come in 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24 feet wide. However, the widest home you'll be able to get will depend on the regulations in the area that you live. Where I live, the widest home I can get is 20 feet wide, but just one province over, they can get single wides up to 24 feet wide. So there are single wides with 1, 2, 3, even 4 bedrooms. So what I'm gonna do is look at my favorite plans after doing this for 10 years in what I would consider small, medium, and large footprints. So let's check it out. Small 1-bedroom homes are a great option for a lot of situations. The most common use I see is people downsizing or as a secondary residence or cottage. Usually in single wides, I prefer a split floor plan that has bedrooms at either end and it cuts down on any wasted space or hallways. However, there are some lots that a front living room kitchen setup just works a lot better. We just finished one where that style of home made the most sense, so that's what we did. For this example, it's only a 1-bedroom floor plan, so you can't even split it if you wanted to. It has to be a front living room kitchen. For the small footprint category, which I would consider is anything under 900 square feet, I'm gonna go really small with a 1-bedroom plan, so I couldn't do a split floor plan if I wanted to. The plan that I like the best in the small category is a 1-bedroom plan that's 14 feet wide by 40 feet long with an 8-foot covered porch by Palm Harbor. The plan shows it at just over 14.5 feet wide, which brings the total floor space to 580. When I was selling Palm Harbors, this was one of their most affordable floor plans, but the best part is the layout. In a small space, storage can be a big issue, but that's not the case with this home. Not only does it come standard with the kitchen cabinets, but you also get cabinets in the dining room and built-in cabinets in the bedroom. The living room kitchen area has a ton of natural light, and you can get it with a 9-foot flat ceiling, so it feels even bigger than 580 square feet. For a 1-bedroom, 40-foot plan, I think the space is so efficiently used. It's perfect for a retired couple, a young couple, singles, or even a cottage by the lake. If 580 square feet isn't enough space for you, maybe you're better suited for one of the mid-range plans. I class anything from 900 up to about 1100 square feet as a mid-sized single wide. In that amount of space, you can comfortably fit 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and have enough room left over for a nice, spacious living room kitchen area. There are 3-bedroom plans in this size range, and I have done a few over the years, but the 3rd bedroom does cut into the living space quite a bit. If you want to do a 3-bedroom single wide, I would suggest bumping the length up to 76 feet. That takes the entire size of the house over 1,200 square feet and gives you enough room to add that 3rd bedroom. It's possible to do a 3-bedroom single wide in even a 14 by 66, 924 square foot home. I've done it in the past for a guy who had a budget he had to be under, but he really wanted that 3rd bedroom, and it worked out well for him. But the bedrooms are on the small side, and you lose a good chunk of space out of the living room. The best mid-size floor plan is one that's been by far the most popular since I started doing this back in 2009. It's 16 feet by 66 feet long, which comes in at a very comfortable 1,056 square feet. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with bedrooms at either end and a wide open floor plan through the middle. This is a plan that almost every factory has some variation of. So if you decide on this plan, it'd still be wise to shop around because every factory is going to do something just a little bit different. It might be the closet size, it might be the entry, something with the bathroom layout. So look around and see which one you like the best. What I like about this plan is there's very little wasted space. Having the bedrooms at either end opens up the living room kitchen area and eliminates any long dark hallways like you used to see in the 70s and 80s. The main bedroom has a walk-in closet and ensuite, so whoever lands that into the home is set. And whoever ends up in the second bedroom still has their own bathroom, whether it's kids or guests. They have their own setup all the way down at the other end of the home. The kitchen and dining room are totally open to the living room, but there's still enough separation with the peninsula, or you could do an island, that you know where one space ends and the other starts, which makes it a lot easier for furniture placement. Whenever I do this home, I always make sure to put an overhang on the peninsula for bar stools, because that's where people like to congregate. If you like to entertain, you already know that people are gonna just wanna hang out in the kitchen for whatever reason. I don't know. Probably because that's where the food is. Another reason this plan is so popular is because the design makes it perfect for manufactured home parks. Most parks are set up to situate the home on the right side of the lot, so having both doors on the left where your yard is makes a lot of sense. This is a very popular floor plan. For us, it's by far the most popular across all sizes. Lots of space, great layout, but still affordable. For the large homes, I'm only looking at those that I can actually get in my area, which maxes me out at 20 feet wide. That extra width takes these homes to an entirely different level. The plan is 20 feet wide by 76 feet long, which ends up being a whopping 1,520 square feet. It's hard to believe that some areas can actually go wider. Just last weekend, I got a text from a driver who was hauling a 24 by 72 foot wide home. I think that's like 1,738 square feet in one piece driving down the road. It's absolutely crazy. My favorite in the large single wide floor plans is 1,520 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and again, it has that split layout, but instead of having 1 bedroom on either side, you've got the main bedroom on one side and 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom on the other. Everything in this home is big. The walk-in closet is almost double that of the 16 wide, and the ensuite has enough room for a tub and a walk-in shower. The living room alone is 320 square feet, and there's enough room in the kitchen for a gigantic island. This is definitely a perfect family home, and you're gonna have space left over. I would almost say it's too big for a single or a couple. Saying that, if you're a single or a couple and you like to entertain family and friends and like a little bit of extra space, it's gonna be perfect. From 580 to 1,520 square feet, these are my favorite single wide floor plans in small, medium, and large. There are so many options to choose from. The key is to decide how much space you need and how many bedrooms you want before you get out there and start looking. If you can narrow it down even just a little bit, the search for the perfect place will be a little less overwhelming than just looking at every single floor plan available. When you do find a plan you like, keep in mind, just because a supplier or factory doesn't show the plan on their website doesn't necessarily mean they don't have it or won't build it for you. Most factories will build any floor plan, so you have options and the freedom to move around and buy the home from whoever you want. That's all I've got for today. If you enjoy manufactured home videos, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.